Hello and welcome to CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript project 4. My name is Damien Oyemen, and for this project we were tasked with designing a Twitter-like social network website whereby users can make posts and follow users. Now this website that we designed had to touch on various specifications, and I will go through each and every one that I've been able to implement in my own website. The first being on my website, there is a new post text box where users who are signed in can make new posts. Now I'm signed in as myself, Damien. Let's say I want to make a new post. This is a test for the website, and I click post. It reloads the current page, but if you go to the last page, you can see my new post here. Next, if you go back to the first page, it takes you to the all posts where you see all the posts of the different users that they've been able to make. I have made a series of posts, example posts for each of the various users, and they are listed in chronological order, starting from the oldest. And if you go to the last, you can see this January the 28th. If you go to the last, this was made on January the 29th. So it is that is the arrangement for the posts. You also have the ability to like and unlike comments, but I will touch on that later in this video. Now, if you click on any of the different names, you go to their profile page, and I will demonstrate that here. This is Damien's profile page, my profile page, which only shows my posts that I've made on this website. If you click next, it shows the next range of posts for myself. It also displays a number of followers that I have and a number of people that I'm following. For my page, I'm currently following 5 people, and there are 2 people who are following me. Now, you also have the ability to follow or unfollow users on each page. As you can see for myself, because I'm the current user, I cannot follow myself. However, if I go to Harry, a follow and unfollow button appears, which allows me to follow or unfollow a user. Now I'm just going to demonstrate here that I followed him before, but now if I decide to follow, you can see I've successfully followed Harry. That a message appears and the follow number updates itself. Now we go to the following link, which we have up here, which shows all of the different users which I follow, and shows their posts in sequential arrangement as well. As you can see, I was following the number of people, about 5 people: Harry, Hermione, Snape, Draco, and Ron, and all their posts appear here. It shows them in reverse chronological order like the other pages as well. We also have, now for each of these various pages, they use a Python module called Pagination, which allows me to automatically display the user posts in chronological fashion, depending on how I set it. In this case, it is in reverse chronological order, where posts are displayed. The first posts are the oldest, and if you subsequently go to the next pages, you see more recent posts. We go on to the ability to edit posts, which is another specification which I've been able to implement on this website. If you click on this edit button, and this only appears for the specific user who is logged in, they can only edit their own posts. You see a text box appears with the current post that they had made, and you can update it. Let's say I think I need some polyjuice for my class. When I update it, it's immediately updated there on the page. I'm now able to edit the post without having to reload the entire page. Lastly, we have the ability to like or unlike a post using JavaScript. Now I can like Harry's post, or I can unlike it without having to update the entire page. I can like Hermione's post, and I can do that for each and every one of these posts here. Using JavaScript, you are able to implement this function. These are the various specifications that this project defined, and I've been able to implement each and every one of them. Thank you so much for listening.